Hello guys, so I've been using HyroTrader for the past 2 months straight now, and in this very honest review, I am going to be answering the question, or rather, we are going to be answering the question if HyroTrader is actually a scam or a legit crypto trading prop firm. Yes, about 3 months ago, some of you guys have been asking me in the comment section about which other crypto trading prop firms will I recommend for you guys to trade with. And as you should know, guys, I always like to test out most of these platforms by myself before I can bring it to you guys or before giving you guys a positive review about these platforms. Yes, so now after the 2 months that I've been using HyroTrader, I am going to tell you guys my experience and everything you need to know about HyroTrader. Yes, as well as my payouts and the pros and the cons, which is associated with this platform. Yes, because with my experience so far, I've been able to come up with the list of the pros and the cons that I've experienced with my time trading with HyroTrader. Yes, in this very video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my personal experience, and also I'm going to share with you guys my results. Yes, that is the payout that I received for the past 2 months that I've been trading with HyroTrader. And of course, I believe that all this information would help you to make an informed decision on whether or not to go ahead and trade with HyroTrader. Yes, and as I always like to say, guys, every platform out there and every prop firm out there always have their good side and their bad side. Yes, so you definitely always have to consider both the pros and the cons. Yes, because it's important to consider both of these options so that you can be sure whether this prop firm would actually suit your trading strategy. Meanwhile, after watching this video and considering both the pros and the cons and also see my results as well, which are the payouts that I've received from this platform, and you probably still decide to go ahead and sign up with HyroTrader, then what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to be dropping the link now in the description section below. And that link is going to serve you as a coupon link which will secure you some discounts and save you a lot of money. Yes, when I was trying to get funded as well, I didn't pay the full amount. Yes, I also used the coupon link as well and I didn't pay the full amount, and that saved me a lot of money. Also guys, if after watching this video and you find this educating and interesting enough, then I highly appreciate if you give me a thumbs up to this video, as that is definitely going to encourage me to create more content like this one, and that will show me that you appreciate what I'm doing here. So let's get started with the major points of this review, which are the pros and the cons. Yes, the things that I personally like about this platform and the things that I believe might also discourage you from going ahead to sign up with this platform. And the first pro that I have on my list here, which is something that I find very, very interesting about this platform, is the fact that there is no time limit. Yes, HyroTrader gives an unlimited time to pass their challenge. Yes, so as a trader, you have all the time in the world to give yourself the best analysis and place your trade at the right time and at the right moment. Yes, so there is no rushing you in any way, unlike many other platforms out there that will try to rush you so that you can make the wrong decisions and fail your challenge. Yes, so HyroTrader is not like many other platforms out there that will make you fail your challenge. They are giving you enough time to analyze and place your trade. And the second pro that I have on my list here, which is something that I always like to take note of, is the simplicity of this platform. Yes, HyroTrader has a very, very simple and easy to understand user interface. Even for a computer illiterate, you're definitely going to find it very, very much easy to understand and navigate your way around this platform. Yes, because unlike many other platforms, HyroTrader actually made their platform very, very much simple and easy to understand. As you can see here on the screen, this is how simple and easy to understand this platform looks like. Yes, so it's not as complicated as many other platforms out there. So I'm definitely going to give them a big thumbs up on that aspect. And the next pro that I have on my list here is the flexible trading conditions. Yes, that is another interesting part about HyroTrader. They have a very, very flexible trading conditions. So for instance, traders can hold their positions overnight, and also you can hold your positions over the weekend. Yes, trust me guys, you don't actually get those kind of options with many other platforms out there. Yes, many platforms would like you to close the trade when the market closes and also open it when the market opens. But HyroTrader actually gives you the opportunity to actually hold your trade over the weekend and overnight as well. So that is a big thumbs up on that aspect as well. And the next point also that I also find very, very much interesting about this platform is a refundable challenge fee. Yes, that is another interesting part about HyroTrader. Yes, is the fact that at the point of completion of the challenge, you're going to be getting a refund of your money. And that is so unlike many other platforms out there. And that is going to take me to the next point that I have on my list here, which is the fact that there is no hidden charges. Yes, this is another point where I always like to take note of, because many of these platforms out there will always like to take advantage of you and take your money without your consent. But HyroTrader actually takes no hidden charges. There is no hidden charges or hidden fees that they will charge you, and giving you silly excuses because of some hidden rules that you don't know about. You are 100% paying for what you are seeing on your dashboard. So that is another part where I'm going to give them a big thumbs up. Yes, not every platform will be as transparent as that. And the next point that I have on my list here, which is another crucial part, is the customer service support. How responsive is the customer service support? Well, that is another major part where I always like to take note of. And I actually had to test it out one time where I had to change my payment method, and I contacted the customer service support and they responded to me ASAP. Yes. So HyroTrader customer service support is very, very much active and very, very much responsive. So a big thumbs up for them on that aspect as well. And the last pro that I have on my list here, which is something that I also find very much interesting, and I am going to introduce that in the form of a question, is what are other members and what are other users actually saying about this prop firm? So yes, let's check out what other members are saying about this prop firm, and that is where Trustpilot comes in. Well, these are some of the reviews that are going to be seen on Trustpilot about how good this platform is. These are some of the commentary reviews that are going to be seen on Trustpilot about how good this platform is. So their reviews on Trustpilot actually says it all. And remember, guys, like I mentioned earlier, every platform and every platform out there always have their good side and their bad side. Yes. So now that I'm done talking about the pros, which are the things that I personally find interesting about this platform, now let's go over to the cons so that you can be sure whether this platform or whether this prop firm will actually suit your trading strategy and is worth your time or your money. And the first con that I have on my list here, which is something that some people might also find discouraging, is the fact that there is no tutorial or welcome guide video on their dashboard. Yes, that will show you how this platform works and how to navigate your way around this platform. Yes, they don't have any tutorial guide video or welcome guide video, but trust me guys, that is definitely not a problem. I mean, personally for me, I don't see that as a problem, but I have to mention it so that you know what you're getting into before you get into it. Well, the reason why I don't see this as a problem is, like I mentioned earlier, guys, on the pros, they have a very much easy and friendly user interface. Yes, and that makes it up for the no tutorial guide video or welcome guide video. Yes, and with that said as well, if you have any question related to this platform, feel free to drop the question down in the comment section below. Yes, and I'll be more than happy and willing to respond to all your questions. And the second point that I have on my list here, which is something that I don't really like about this platform, or something that some people might actually find somehow discouraging about this platform, is the fact that they are strict in terms of their risk management policies. Yes, although the rules are very much fair, but they are strict at the same time as well. So for instance, the firm imposes a 5% daily drawdown and in total a 10% maximum drawdown limit. So they are strict in the sense that if you happen not to keep these rules, you would risk getting your account blown up. And what I mean by the rules are fair as well is because that is the standard percentage rate, and it's even better than many other platforms out there. So yes, it is strict and at the same time it is fair. So strict in the sense that you definitely have to stick to the rules, and fair in the sense that it is the standard rule. And the last con that I have on my list here, guys, is the fact that there's a lot of similar and fake websites out there. Yes, and this is very much common amongst many other big prop firms out there and many big platforms out there, such as HyroTrader. Yes, and what all these hackers do is that they go ahead and create fake and similar websites, such as the ones that you're aspiring to register for, and they go ahead and create these platforms with the sole purpose of scamming people that are not yet conversant with these platforms of their money. So guys, do not fall for these scams. Ensure that you're on the right side and the right platform. You can simply go to your browser and type in www.hyrotrader.com, or like I said earlier, I'm going to make it very much easier for you guys by dropping the link down in the description section below. And that is also going to help you as well and save you a lot of money, since that is also going to be a coupon link that will secure you some discounts and you wouldn't have to pay the full amount. Well, now that I'm done sharing with you guys the major points of this review, which are the pros and the cons, now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my payout. Yes, because I believe that all these informations are needed for you to make an informed decision on whether this platform is actually worth your time, not your money. As for the first month, guys, I was able to come up with $1,219 that you are seeing up here on the screen. Yes, and another interesting fact is that their payouts are very fast, unlike many other platforms out there. Yes, and as for the second month, guys, I was able to come up with $2,350 that you are seeing up here on the screen. Yes, that is my total payouts for the second month. So as you can see, guys, I keep improving both on my return levels and my skill levels. Yes, so those are my payouts for the 2 months that I've been trading with HyroTrader. Yes, and it keeps counting. Yes, and as you should know, guys, I always like to store my withdrawals till it's actually big enough for me to withdraw, which is why I prefer to withdraw them monthly. So remember, guys, this is just my own personal experience that I'm sharing with you guys. Yes, this is my own personal experience and my own personal view of this platform. So of course you can go ahead and do more research on them just to be on the safer side as well. Yes, so like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description section below. Yes, and that is going to serve you as a discount when you are trying to register for this platform. So thank you guys for watching, and feel free to drop any related questions about this platform down in the comment section below. Yes, and I'll be more than happy and willing to respond to all your questions. And if you find this video helpful and educating enough, guys, do not forget to leave me a like in this video, as that is definitely going to encourage me to create more content like this one. So tell me on the comment section below, which other crypto trading prop firm do you think is actually better than this one, and tell me about your experience of those prop firms. Yes, you can leave that on the comment section below. Let's discuss. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Merci.